All right, y'all, to make this simple, I'm doing blinkers. One blinker for Ford Fusion 2016. Looking on the YouTube and all that, I wasn't able to find really an accurate video on things I needed to do, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step what I did, and hopefully it makes it easier for you guys. All the tools I used to take off the blinker: 10 millimeter, 10 mil, pick for the, what is this, 5/16, basically everything. Blinkers for 2016 Ford Fusion. A lot of people say you have to take the bumper off, but that's not true. I just loosened up the side fenders to being able to wiggle it out. Basically, take off the side fender, all this here, comes with that here, a couple of pins. Have this here, one here, mine's is broken, clip here. I only took off the front bumper halfway on the side that I'll end up doing. It's much easier than taking off the whole bumper, so I just removed this side fender here and here, and it gave me enough room to be able to wiggle the headlight to pull that blinker out. You have clips here. If you're doing both blinkers, then I would suggest taking off the whole bumper, but if you're just doing one side, then either side works. You loosen the side that you're doing, hex screw, pins, pin, flathead, pins. Come down here. There's an 8 millimeter on the back side of this clip here. There's an 8 millimeter right here, and there's a 10 millimeter in there to actually loosen the fender up. This easily pops off. And it just pops in like that and pops out. It's easy. Boom. Pop it back out. A little bit of wiggle room. Loosen everything up. You'll be able to pull that bulb out, that blinker bulb, without taking off the whole front bumper or the headlight. So let's check out. Let's check it out. Let's see if we got some blinker action here. We have blinker action. So you do not have to take off the whole bumper to get the job done. Loosen the fender, side fender up, the side of the wheel well here, 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 and this here. You'll have enough wiggle room to get this blinker set out and change the blinker without taking the whole assembly off. Making sure that, you know, things is in the right order and things is aligned correctly. This way you have less to align and less to worry about. All right.